Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to take a closer look at the two brand new Hot Wheels McLarens. Both of these McLaren models are featured in the 2018 H-Case assortment. If you haven't watched my unboxing of the H-Case, make sure you check it out to see all the latest models. First, we have the all-new casting for 2018. It's the factory fresh McLaren 720S. The McLaren 720S is an exquisite looking supercar in the volcano orange paint color, and this is the same paint color the original Hot Wheels McLaren P1 was first released in. Sitting on a set of shiny wheels that enhance the design, this Hot Wheels 720S captures the look of the real-life supercar. A little fun fact about new McLaren cars is that the logo on the hood spells the entire word McLaren when the P1 features just the orange McLaren crest. The 720S has very well detailed headlights, hood intakes, and front end splitter. Along the side, we have the new Swooping air duct design, which is more understated from the P1's large opening. On the back, we have the exhaust pipes in the center, and you'll notice the spoiler is in the down position compared to the P1 where the wing is up. Overall, this 720S is the perfect supercar for the 2018 mainline, and I can't wait to see more colors of it. So we've looked at the new 720S and the original P1, but now let's take a look at the new Hot Wheels Exotics white McLaren P1. The black stripe on the front hood of the white P1 adds some character to give this car a unique look from the other versions. This car also sits on dark rims, but they're a different style from the original orange casting. One detail I noticed on the back of the new white edition is the small Hot Wheels logo to the right of the central exhaust. Overall, the new P1 is a great addition to the already incredible selection of color variations. So there we have the two newest Hot Wheels McLarens. If you guys want to see more of the latest Hot Wheels, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.